Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to download Dailymotion app on your device. Now if you want to download Dailymotion app on your device and watch the movie, series or dramas through your phone, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to download the Dailymotion app on your device, you need to simply open your device and make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So after that you need to simply open App Store. Let's see if Dailymotion app is available in App Store or not. So after that, click on the search box and search Dailymotion. As you can see, there is the option called Dailymotion Video App. Now you may click on the option of get to install it, and now you need to verify yourself to install the app. So click on the option of verify and it will ask for you for your Face ID, or it may say you to double tap on the side of the power button, and it may also ask for your password of Apple ID. So after doing that, as you can see, the Dailymotion Video app has started to download, and after that you may simply log into your app and you may enjoy watching the series, drama or movie on it. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.